Hi guys, this is Tolu here again from Career Transitioners. Today I want to talk to you about the best way to become a business analyst. This is 2018 and one of the most rewarding roles that I know about within the digital economy is business analysis. The reason I love the profession is because it doesn't really require you to know a lot about technology, contrary to what people might think. And it's a really well-paid role. So if you're looking to leverage your current experience, I'm assuming if you're watching this video, you're not 10 years old and you're not just out of school, you actually have some work experience. If you're looking to leverage that work experience and develop a career that's sustainable, that's rewarding, that gives you the opportunity to develop lots of skills and that pays well, then business analysis might be the right role for you. I get people asking me almost every day, how do I become a business analyst? I keep hearing lots and lots of different ways to get into business analysis. So I thought, why don't I just make a video that explains the best way to become a business analyst? So, firstly, why do you want to become a business analyst? I think, based on a lot of conversations that I've had in recent times, it's usually to develop a career that's much more financially rewarding and to develop a career that gives you a lot of gravitas and potential for growth within an organization. So, as a business analyst, we're always looking for ways to help the business improve. A lot of times we're working within a project, and it really means we've got to have lots and lots of different skills. Within our Agile Business Analysis Fast Track program, what we do is we help our students understand all the different skills that they need to have to get started as a business analyst. So we start off with a business analysis foundation program, which includes a certification. We actually subscribe to the business analysis certification from the BCS, the British Computer Society, which is the de facto accreditation body for business analysts. So we start off with the foundation certificate in business analysis that gives you the foundation knowledge for what business analysis actually is. And then we move on to Agile. We spend about a week learning about Agile. When it comes to Agile, there's a lot of misconceptions. People don't really know what Agile is, but the most popular Agile method is Scrum. So what we do is we spend the time really just learning about Scrum. We take people through how to become a Scrum Master, the tools and techniques that are used within Scrum teams, and we help them develop their skills when it comes to Scrum and Agile. And then we start to get practical. We help our students learn critical tools that they need to know how to use as business analysts. You might have seen one of my earlier videos when I mentioned 3 skills that a business analyst must master. I talk about stakeholder management, I talk about process mapping, and I talk about requirements engineering. When it comes to requirements engineering and process modeling, the software tools that a business analyst must know how to use. Within our Agile BA Fast Track program, we help our students learn those tools. For example, we spend a day on Jira. Jira is one of the most popular requirements management tools for Agile projects. We actually get our students logged into our own Jira account. We give them access to play with all the live projects that are on there, learn how to configure projects and write the user stories and learn how to use the tool, but also how to leverage the training they've already had within the actual software tool. We also teach them how to use process mapping tools like Visio or Visagi if they don't want to pay for Visio. We teach them how to use the process modeling skills within a tool so that they can actually practically develop process maps and process models for real live projects. So we spend about a week teaching and helping our students practice using those critical business analysis tools. And then we spend some time helping our students develop their CVs. We spend some time on coaching. So we talk about developing your CVs, creating your LinkedIn profile. We talk about interview skills. We do some interview skills workshops and coaching on how to get the confidence levels up so you can start applying for jobs. We also go through an in-depth, personalized job search strategy that's tailor-made for that individual. So if you are thinking of becoming a business analyst, I do not believe that there is another program that's as robust and as comprehensive as this one. And it's also really, really affordable. So we go through about 6 weeks of learning and helping you develop critical skills, and we don't just leave you, we guide you every step of the way as well. So the Agile BA Fast Track program, in my opinion, is the best way to become a business analyst. So now that you know what's included within the course, I want to talk about how the program actually runs. One of the things that I've noticed in recent times is most of the people that want to transition their careers into business analysis actually don't have time on their hands. What they generally do is spend lots of their evenings developing the skills that they need. So we've developed our course to fit in to most of our students' lifestyle. So our courses run in the evenings and our courses run virtually. So we use tools like Zoom to develop to deliver the course. So evenings during the week, you're there with a trainer live, and every course is recorded, so you have access to the course anytime. So if you miss the part, you can always go over the video, and you can come to the class as many times as you want. Once you've paid for a class, you can, if you miss a particular day, you can join the next class. There are no restrictions to how often you can join the course. If you like this video, share, tell your friends about it, and look forward to seeing you again next time. Thank you very much, guys.